What would I do without your smart mouth? Drawing me in, you kicking me out.
Welcome back to Daytime Live here. And if you're just joining us, don't forget to follow us on social media, Instagram, X, and Threads. It's at TVJ_Daytime Live. And for Facebook, it's at TVJ Daytime Live. So this week on Bro Code, we're talking about intimacy in relationships. Right? And this is from a man's perspective, of course.
All right, first thing foremost, stop that song there. I am not having this discussion with my general and that song you're playing in the back. We're going to find a different song, something else. We don't do something else to go. Because, no, you can imagine somebody that's here that I play and pass and I look at it and say, Craig. All right, so we're going to talk about what is intimacy. Now, the Collins Dictionary says it's a close, affectionate connection. But let's be real. We're talking about how it shows up with our partners and what happens when it starts to fade.
So for women, when intimacy drops, it can feel like the relationship is dying. But for men, does it hit the same way? You know, so we're going to break it down a little bit.
Yeah. What's something?
I
think the first thing is what does intimacy look like to a man? You know, oftentimes with women it is softer and roses and time and stuff like that. But to men, what does it look like? I would believe that human beings have different love languages. And I think different men also express the same way. For him, intimacy may just mean just sitting down and us spend some quality time, sit down and us watch a show, you know. No phone, no nothing. Or him probably working in the car, she want to come out there with him. Or it can be more under the rose petals and whatever it is. I think it just depends on the type of individual he is.
Intimacy, isn't intimacy the connection? Because
right,
you can do all of those things and there is intimacy is absent, you know. You can have rose petals, you can have sitting down, chilling, watching a movie, you can have all of those things and the intimacy is missing. Same way.
I actually believe that if the intimacy missing, those things are going to be more of an issue.
Yeah, definitely, but you know, is really
the connection. The connection and intimacy, the connection.
Yeah, it's like the connection
of
the cart and the horse. You know, is which one begets what and which one comes first.
Yeah.
That's really the thing.
The connection. If you sit down with somebody and watch a show and you're not close to each other.
So you're saying it's not just about the physical side?
It can't be just the physical. It's not just another round of applause and cheer in the crowd and all them something.
You mentioned love language earlier still. For me, there can be no intimacy without the physical.
That are you?
Yeah, so maybe that's what I'm saying. So, you know, that's why when you say it a while ago, like me, I said, boy, I really understand.
No, intimacy, yeah, it is somewhat, but it also, for me, I like when it feels like I can quiet the world, I can quiet the noise, I don't have to deal with the stuff around it. It's just me and you doing whatever it is.
Yeah, that area of solace that you can go to get away from.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
When we're not distracted by anything else. If we're watching a movie. If we go to the movies, we can have intimacy in our crowd now. But we have to just know, say, boy, it's just me.
So that is the thing now. The question is like, what does it look like when intimacy is fading? What does lack of intimacy look like? They had an image up earlier with the couple sitting down on the bed. That looks, well, I would assume that is a bed. Them look like them just awake up. But that is very. This is an argument. This is a little bit different. There was another one with their backs to each other. That you know, you could clearly tell that there is distance. Okay, this couple here. You can clearly see that there is emotional distance between the couple.
No. You know, this could be him just sneeze and she look on the floor and say,
no, same day I go do something like that. All right, so but the question is, all right, so as a man now, you find that we notice these things quickly enough, or you find that we don't notice these things quickly enough?
Oftentimes, well, it depends on the type of connection that you and your partner have. And when you realize that there are some things, because men are a lot more routine.
Right.
You're going some women are going, oh no. Men are a lot more routine. We're more. We do this at 3 every single day. We do this at 5 every single day. We're a little bit more routine. So when in our intimate relations, there are certain things that we expect.
Yeah.
You say a certain thing to her, hey honey, and she will say, hey Ras. But this time she go, yes, Jed.
I understand.
You start going, okay.
Me, well, as I said, like,
Behaviors change.
yeah, I personally, of course, this is personally speaking, like I'm one of those unique situations because I'm very dynamic. I guess become a life dynamic. Like there's no like my hours, no routine,
Yeah, set hours.
You know, my activities for a week not routine. So you know, there are things that aren't routine with me. So there are times where I will welcome a conversation or a intimate moment, but there are times when a lot of things are going on in my head, and there are a lot of things that I know that I need to figure out for the forward movement of my family that me don't want to talk.
Yes.
I do something.
Yeah, yes.
I don't want to talk. I don't want to touch me. I do something.
Yes.
You know, mentally.
Yes.
So,
she would have to know you and know that that's how you are, and don't take it personally. On the outside, for me, like every now and then, I need to shut down everything, and it's just me and your time. Me don't want my phone park, your phone park, and even just have conversation. Me could just sit down and just reason, just me and you would just good.
you know what I find though? I find the exact opposite. I find that many women don't realize when men are doing that. Me personally. So, like, we all the vibes and we were there and we say, all right, make we go watch a movie. And we'll watch a movie. And make we sit down and watch a movie. And they don't realize that you are carving out a section of time in order to watch this movie, you know. So for them just look on a movie and it's just a movie.
And they realize that
them not really pay attention.
We have literally
but what it really is that this now is an exercise to grow the relationship. Them don't realize you're putting effort into this thing. So
we'll stop time and everything else. We have.
Yeah. So them there say from there you just a watch show, so you just there and a watch show, so how come? And it's like them not understand. So listen, like and most man nah go really prefer explain it. Them just do it and if you have a problem with it, then
if I've experienced that problem. Like I realize that sometimes how busy I am when it is that I carve out a time. I'm saying, say, this Friday evening, I'm not going to do this is what I'm doing at that time. And something frivolous, you mash up that Friday evening for me. I can't find about that time there again because I don't move everything from Friday to Saturday or to Sunday and the rest of them gone. And that just, I know me.
So, all right, let me show you your style. You will come home, you know, and you will say, all right, you don't even have to say anything. You know, you just go through the motions, you know, you eat dinner if anything, you take a shower if anything, you sit down now and say, all right, we're going to hold a little vibe now, watch a little movie and decompress. And as you start decompress, you will hear, like I say. And then, so she, you know, will say, but I'm tired. And like I said, then me not tired too. And I like say me not want sleep, but I understand say this is something we I do.
You put your own because me a manager. No, me frost out and cussy. Sometimes for me,
no,
the intimacy.
Before
me decompress.
Because I can't.
Everybody decompress on their couch before them go.
If me know, and then there's the other side of intimacy too. There is the physical side too.
The physical side.
Yeah, so how you bring back key in that spice there when you feel like that spice there.
Because you have to do some things. It have to be both of your experiences. In terms of it have to be something between you and that person.
Yeah.
To say, hey, we are going to do this so we can now have something that is ours.
So when it gets sensual, right, or sexual, when that connection is absent, how do you bring back that? Because I've been in, because you know I was married once before, so I'm used to long-term relationships. When you start negotiate sensuality in a relationship, you know, or schedule sex or sensual encounters. When you start schedule them thing there, everything get fleshed out. Everything get flushed.
You know what happened?
At that
This
point.
conversation can continue. Yes, and them conversation, yeah. Yeah, me and Craigie. Next time, me and
Come on, I'm vex.
Next time we have bro talk, me and Craigie will finish the
I don't know what he's
conversation like
talking
this. Listen, this time live. We'll be back. We're so forward.
Man made the electrolyte to take us.